Eyinjese. Shori, whatever it is that you're trying to do, then the boss the boy, it's not going to work. What do I mean by that, maybe? You feel like àwọn èèyàn ń gbé queen mother torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi bá Lizzy jà. No, that is where you are getting it wrong. And sórí audacity tí wọ́n gan fúnra rẹ̀ ní láti máa sọ fún wa pé bó ṣe wà yìí ó kì í fẹ́yàn báyàn jà. Búkì lórí Facebook yìí tá a mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe. Okay, jẹ́ tẹ̀ eléyìí tó wà recent ká má tẹ̀ wá mú lọ sí atrocity tó ti ṣe láyé ọjọ́ tó wà recent. Ṣèbí torí pé òun bá Wùmí jà ló ṣe ń bá Iyabo jà. Káwa kọ́kọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ìgbàgbé yẹn. Ìgbà tí Priscilla mọ́kọ wálé, ṣé Priscilla tó wà lára àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá jà ni? Kí ló sọ? Ó ní wàá lọ sí Tanzania, wàá make sure pé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ò ní fẹ́ nígbà tí Juma ṣe kọ́kọ́ wá sí Nàìjíríà tó fẹ́ wá tọrọ Priscilla. So báwo ló ṣe máa wá jókòó lẹ́ni pé bó ṣe wà yìí o kì í fẹ́yàn báyàn kan jà o. Ṣebí torí pé ò lè gẹ́ẹ̀tì Wùmí. Torí ẹ̀ sọ pé ó ti pé gbogbo ọmọ Tanzania wọ́n sọ pé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ò lè fẹ́, tó bá fẹ́ gan ó máa fẹ́ second wife, kò máa sí nǹkan kan tó sọ. Ó dẹ̀ sọ pé ò kì í fẹ́yàn báyàn jà. How can you lie like that? Ó ní problem o. Let me now tell you nǹkan tó ń fún ẹ ní heartache, tó ń fún ẹ ní problem ni pé you cannot help it when you see that Iyabo shine. Ọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n fi ń báyàn jà kọ́ lélẹ̀. Iyabo is just a person, is a likable person. Okay, the percentage of bloggers that are blogging for Iyabo is like 1% compared to the people that automatically love her. She's been loved on Instagram. Kó tó di pé orí Facebook. Orí Instagram not a funny queen mother. But you are so slow up there. Bí pé o ní amnesia ni àbò ní Down syndrome. Orí ẹ̀ ò pé. For you to know that she's been queen mother on Instagram, well loved by everybody, before the whole fight of Lizzy started. Ben. So to you feel like fracas nìkan. Your life is 100% based on fracas. So you feel like fracas nìkan, not in Iyabo. No, it wasn't that. Ọ̀rọ̀ fan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àbí tó ṣẹlẹ̀, it's common sense for somebody that you love for them to come out and say, because it's a huge thing. It's a huge, ìwọ gan fọ́. Ó ní tó bá rí nǹkan tí Iyabo ṣe tó bá dá. You are not a person that hates Iyabo. Ìgbà tí Iyabo ń ṣe wedding ọmọ ṣe post ẹni ṣe bó ń ṣe pé fún ni. So why will you sit down there today and tell us, àwa wípé ẹ̀yin èèyàn nǹkan báyìí. How would you sit there and lie like that? Bí pé àmọ́ gbogbo tó máa ń gbàgbé gbogbo nǹkan tó ti sọ ni àbí gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe fún Iyabo. Was Iyabo your problem? No. Wùmí was your problem. But because ọmọ pé Wùmí àti Iyabo, they are very close. Ṣé torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe mú Iyabo sẹ́nu tó tún mú Priscilla sẹ́nu? Ṣé o rántí pé o sọ pé Juma ò ní fẹ́ Priscilla? Ṣé o mọ̀ pé o sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? So ṣé o ò fi Priscilla bá Wùmí jà ni àbí o ò fi Priscilla bá Iyabo jà? Torí you will sit down. Wọ́n ní wọ́n gbé yàn kan wọ́n fi ń pẹ́pẹ́. Pé wọ́n ti ẹ̀ lè gbé wọ́n, ta ló fẹ́ gbé ẹ? Who are you? Who are you? Ta ló gbé ẹ, ta ló mọ̀ ẹ́? Let me tell you, the problem you have is that you can't help it when you see Queen Mother win. Okay, the fans are celebrating now. Omu Yinka TNT Obu, Omu Omi Obanla sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn. Oni báwo náà ṣe máa gbé fake news. This is a huge thing. There are so many artists tó lè lò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. But they decided that Iyabo Ojo no fẹ́ lò. That is a win. Ó ti win bẹ́yẹn. Either ambassadorship, no ambassadorship. It's not just anybody they can call. Ṣé gbogbo wọn ló ń gba airport kọjá? Kí ló dé tán mú wọn mọ́lẹ̀ kan sọ pé yẹ bá wa ṣe? Why Queen Mother? This is a win. That is where you cannot understand it. And when somebody you love is winning, what you do is you celebrate. How is that hard for you to know? Torí pé mo sọ pé torí pé gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n mọ̀ ìjà ni, torí pé òun bá Iyabo Ojo jà. That is why you cannot see this as a win. It's a normal thing for people that love you and see you, being used by odidi fan. Federal Aviation Authority of Nigeria or something, aviation, to use one person for awareness video. What dàbí tí EFCC bá lóyàn fún ambassador. It's a huge thing. People around them will celebrate. It's a normal thing, but ìwọ ó ṣòro pé òkè ò ní ọjọ́ wo náà ti celebrate ẹ̀. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ buy day. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, buy day ni. Kì í ṣe birthday, buy day. Tó o bá ṣe birthday, kò sí anybody tó máa celebrate ẹ̀. Ìwọ náà mọ̀. O kì í ṣe nǹkan rere. Àbí ó dẹ̀ yẹ kó celebrate ẹgbà tó mọ ẹṣẹ́ wọn. Because ara ẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Nǹkan ayọ̀ tẹ́yìn ṣe ń side ọ̀dọ̀ yín nìyẹn. This woman had daughters got married. You said that tó bá ṣe nǹkan dáadáa kọ́ nìyẹn, ṣó celebrate ẹ̀. Ọmọ ẹ̀ bímọ, ṣó celebrate ẹ̀. So what are you now talking about now? O lè ṣòmọ̀, o lè compromise àbí báwo náà èwo lòyìnbó tí àwọn tẹ̀ fẹ́ lóhùn sí wa. O lè sórí wípé kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe tó pé gbogbo ẹ̀ máa dàrú. Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé everything is going well for her. So it's not about one guy. Ṣé wọ́n tún fi celebration of fan? Ṣé mo pé tó bá yẹ pé òkè o, wọ́n lo Lizzy, wọ́n wá lo Iyabo, àwa sọ pé òkè a fẹ́ compare méjèèjì. There's no comparison here. They did not. Wọ́n pè ẹ́ nìyẹn. Èèyàn tán pè náà pè. And it's common sense for our fans and lovers to say, congratulations, because of course that's a big deal. Out of thousands of celebrities, they used her. When they said they want to use Iyabo, Jen suffer àwọn nǹkan tí ò yẹ. Torí you said Iyabo collected public disgrace because people were celebrating her, because people celebrated her. That's why she was disgraced. Okay. Ta ló jẹ disgrace láàrin ìwọ àti Iyabo? Ìwọ tó mọ odidi ọmọ ẹyọ kan tó ní tó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n mọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́ nínú ilé ẹ̀ tó lọ ń jalè kiri. Who is more disgraced? Ṣó mọ̀ pé o understand nǹkan tó ń pè ní nǹkan rere torí pé o kì í báyàn ṣe. Lẹ́yìn kó ránṣọ ọ̀pá méjì kó gbé sọ́rùn lójú ara rẹ̀ ó ti jọra ẹ lójú. Ìgbà tí kinní yẹn kọ́kọ́ jáde tó rí, ṣé ìwọ gan ò fọ́? Ìwọ náà fọ́ náà. And to me, ambassadorship ṣì ni. Either they said they pay her, they do not pay her. It's ambassadorship now. Orí wọn bó ṣe tò tẹ́lẹ̀, bó ṣe lò, bó ṣe kinní, èèyàn mélòó náà gbé sórí kinní wọn bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni now. Torí pé wọ́n rí pé okay o, this woman in the society, she's a good person, she's doing this, she's doing that, and they love her aura. They feel like she's in the best place for them to show more. Láti jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wá àwẹ̀ ó dàbí tó bá wọnú plane kò rí Kevin Hart bí inú Qatar Airways. They feel like, this person Kevin Hart, people will connect with him. This is a thing that is done on the table. Hope you know, before they use the Iyabo Ojo, if you say it's not ambassadorship, let me explain something to you. There are committees, leaders, and the top directors in that fan that sat down, and there are so many names they brought out, and they all decided, and Iyabo Ojo has most of the votes for her to be able to do that thing. She has most of the votes because this is a vote thing. Orúkọ àwọn celebrity oríṣiríṣi náà máa kọ síbẹ̀. And all the top leader will decide among themselves. Wípé one person la máa mú, and Iyabo Ojo succeeded láàrin gbogbo èèyàn tó wà ńbẹ̀. So what are you talking there about? Pé kí n ṣe ambassadorship? Of course, it's not just anybody ló kàn pé bí èèyàn kan tó wà marketing team ló kàn sọ pé jẹ́ àlè Iyabo Ojo. No, àwọn top director mẹ́yẹn ló jókòó tán sọ pé okay o, this is the right person to convey this message. So to me, it's ambassadorship. But ìwọ ò lè relate. When is the last time tó ṣe nǹkan rere? Birthday ẹ̀gan lẹ́yìn kó dúró sáàrin títì kó máa jó. Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ birthday. So people celebrate people. So okay, all you want is that for us not to celebrate Iyabo Ojo torí pé ó ń bá Lizzy jà. Is that not done? People celebrate people èèyàn tí wọ́n dey celebrating tó bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan rere. It's common sense. It's not about Lizzy alone. You are getting it all wrong. I can't believe that 50 years old, I have to explain to you that everything that Iyabo is doing is her life. She's living her life. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wà stuck pẹ̀lú life wẹ̀. Tẹ́ rò pé everything revolves around Lizzy. No. She's living her life, and people will celebrate and congratulate her, irrespective of one bá Lizzy jà kò bá Lizzy jà. Go and check Instagram, bó ṣe ń celebrate ẹ̀. Àwọn tí ò tẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Lizzy exist. Yes. They were all celebrating and they were all happy because this is my person and she's winning. I have to celebrate. But you are stuck in this fracas. Ṣé o mọ̀ bó ṣe dàgbà tó yẹn? Ọpọlọ ẹ ò lè expand kó think outside the box. Pé Iyabo's winning has nothing to do with Lizzie. She's winning for herself. It has nothing. It's not pepper them. So ìgbà tó mọ ẹ ṣe wedding yẹn náà. Torí pé ó fẹ́ pepper Lizzie lọmọ ẹ ṣe lọ ṣe wedding. Think now. Did you celebrate her? No. So how come are you now telling us that bó ṣe wà yóò hate Iyabo tó bá ṣe nǹkan tó ẹ dáadáa ó ṣe ọmọ ẹ ṣe wedding ó celebrate ẹ ọmọ ẹ bímọ ó celebrate ẹ so kí ni nǹkan dáadáa tó fẹ́ ṣe ń sìn tó fẹ́ celebrate ẹ ó gba ambassadorship ó celebrate ẹ ṣebí ìwẹ̀ dragging náà ni ó wà lára àwọn yẹn tó sọ pé Paulo ò lè fẹ́ náà wọ́n kàn ló ní wọ́n ti já jùlẹ̀ yes because you are fighting it's obviously that you are fighting. But if you like somebody, nobody cares about Lizzie. Bó ṣe rò pé everybody think about Lizzie. Ẹ̀yin tó rí yín ò pé nìkan lẹ rò pé Iyabo's life revolves around Lizzie. No. So leave Yinka TNT alone. All these people have been with Lizzie before. At the end of the day, Lizzie said they are bad people. Only one lọ Kí ló fẹ́ kàn ṣe? They were standing with Lizzie before. Obanla stand with Lizzie. Everybody stood by Lizzie. At the end of the day, ó bullshit gbogbo wọn ni ó bójú wọn jẹ́ ni. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ. So why are you now saying they should not love who they want to love? Why don't you face your life? O lè fi hàn kan báyàn kan jà torí Mohbad o mọ bó ṣe bá o bá Elégùṣì jà torí Wùmí ni o bá Liam jà torí Wùmí ni kò séyàn tó o bá jà eléyìí tó o ṣe tó o jí tó jalè lórí social media tó wá parọ́ gbowó tó o fún wa ní closure dè ní ìyẹn náà ni kò lọ mójútó ìyẹn náà ni kò ṣe kí ni kò lọ mójútó ikú tó pa Mohbad tó wá parọ́ fún wa tó gba donation tó ò rí ṣe fìyàbọ̀ òjò lẹ̀ at the end of the day o fail nìyẹn the first activism tó máa ṣe dead body activist o tún mú fẹ́ lé ọ̀bọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ló tún sọ o tún yí lórí Ìyàbọ̀ o ní Ìyàbọ̀ òjò ni ò jẹ́ kó o succeed o rí pé nǹkan ti ṣe ẹ́ ṣó bá yín dá sí ni àbòdí yín lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gba sand tẹ́ ń ṣe autopsy tẹ́ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣó di yín lọ́wọ́ ni wá jókòó ìwọ lè jókòó pé o lè fi Ìyàbọ̀ bá anybody jà wípé kinní kan ṣe kinní kan orí ò pé ṣá àwọn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó ní kó sọ fún wa ká má gbé mọ́ a máa gbé kó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gan ṣe bó ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ gan tẹ́lẹ̀ kí a sọ pé àǹtí ẹ lọ wábì kan jókòó sí ṣe rọrọ tó wà lórí social media we love you and we must show it bẹ́ẹ̀ ni we love you and we must show it a máa gbé kó sọ pé ká má gbé òun mọ́ gan a máa sọ fún pé wo Ìyàbọ̀ ìwọ di orúkọ mú eléyìí tó kù wọ́n ní wedding is for the groom marriage is for the family bí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyàbọ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn ṣó ti yẹn anywhere tó bá attack our fans a máa defend it. So know this and know peace because you cannot relate. Oh, logo. Oh, famous. Because anybody to more. You cannot even say this is your fans. So you cannot relate how people love somebody. And all you have to do is to sit down there. Come on, pariwo, come on, what else in your lenu? Go there, ma checking. Come on, run shot 2 piece. Come on, run aṣọ 2. Come on, John àlòkù aṣọ. Ọ̀pá kan, ọ̀pá méjì kan jọ ọ̀pá pọ̀ kó wá kó sọ́run kó sọ pé ó ti jèyàn. Wọ́n tó gbádùn. Bàbá Mohbad nǹkan ibo lẹ́dẹ̀ bá ọ̀rọ̀ ayé yín dé ń sìn báyìí eléyìí tó kàn ẹ́ nìyẹn lọ mójútó yẹn ibo lẹ bá rọrùn ẹni fi Ìyàbọ̀ Òjó lẹ̀ wọ́n disgrace ẹ̀ wọ́n ní kí n ṣe ambassador wọn bọ̀ àdẹ̀mọ̀ nǹkan tá ambassador mi kí ló dé tó fi lù torí pé ẹ̀yin wèrè náà ni tẹ́ ń pè kiri but of course òun náà náà ṣe lò and she still won bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èèyàn tẹ́ ń jà fún wọn lò wọn tiẹ̀ fẹ́ súnmọ́ orúkọ ò tiẹ̀ lè jáde rárá ní top 5 top 10 gan kò lè sí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ so wọn ò pè yẹn èèyàn tó ń pè a dey celebrate congratulations again but Queen Mother you deserve it my love enjoy your shine enjoy your win always enjoy you deserve all the good things in this life má dá wọn wèrè lóhùn.